It's a new year, and with that change, it's only a matter of time before the next generation arrives. Here, the great King Swan and his queen perform their annual mating ritual. The dunking of the head is an important part of the mating ritual. It is the precursor to consummating their relationship and hopefully bringing another generation of cygnets into the world. Let's watch the end of the ritual. Swans mate for life. The king and the queen have been a remarkable pair to watch over the last 5 years. Thank you for viewing.